Today, I'm going to show you how to use if and else statements in Bash. The most important part of the if statement is the syntax. It's if, double square bracket with a conditional statement in between, then, and finally an fi or a phi to end the if. So let's write that conditional statement to see if they can guess the correct color. The user input in this case is $color guess, but I can't remember the right syntax. So let's go open up the man page for test and see what operator we need to find out if two strings are equal. We search for it, we find out that it is the equal sign. So let's add $color guess equals blue and print out that that color is correct. So let's run the script. When we run it, we get a command not found error because we did not have a space before and after the square brackets in the condition statement. So let's add those and rerun the script. Now, we see that it's working the way that it should. Next, let's add an else between the if and the phi to print out that the choice was wrong. The else is between the two, which is different for most languages. Let's test the script with yellow and see if it prints off that we're wrong. Finally, let's add an else if or an elif in Bash to see if the color is a shade of blue. If the color they guess is periwinkle, let's let them know that they're very close. Now we test it and we see that all three cases work correctly. Now it's your turn. Write a script that takes two command line arguments and tell us if the first number is less than, greater than, or equal to the second number. Hit pause, write the script, and come back and we'll do it together. This script takes a similar format as the other one. One big difference are the conditionals. So let's take a look at the man page for test, and we learn that Bash expects -GT to check if the first number is greater than the second number. Then we'll add an elif for less than, and finally, if the number is not greater or less than the other, it must be the same. So let's print out that the numbers are equal. Let's test it with 1 and 2, 2 and 1, and finally 3 and 3. And we see that it made the correct response for all three cases.